What is up, YouTube? It's your girl OrlandoQponQueen, and we're at Walmart. You guys, Christmas clearance has officially hit 75% off. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm not trying to talk loud because there's a lot of people around. So let's see what we have at the store. Hopefully they have a lot of gift sets. I'm looking for gift sets still. A lot of gift sets are like $2 and so forth. So hopefully we can find some. Also Christmas lights. I am gonna buy some Christmas lights stupid. Hopefully I can find some Christmas lights at this store and maybe a Christmas tree. I don't know. We'll see what we find. So I came to the store because I remember that this whole entire section was filled with gift sets, and it honestly did not disappoint. They still have the signs up that say 50% off, but it's actually 75% off. So I found this one here, which I love these. Hopefully I can find more of these. This is only like $2.75. It looks like they took all the razors, so I'm gonna look for razors. And we have this beard set thing for like $3 and a couple change. This, I have to check it. I will check that. This should be like about $2 also. I do want anything razor sets, so razor sets, yes, definitely grab them. These are also on clearance, but I have to check the price of them too. Also pay attention to these little massagers. I got a couple of them last year, I think it was, but this one here is normally like $20, and now it's only on clearance for $7.49, or I think it's like $25 normally. I got mine for I think $4.99, so keep an eye out on these. And then also there should be some like other things. I think this is normal price. I'm gonna check the price of this. And then there's also like a couple like pedicure sets that are also on clearance, which I'm gonna try to see if I can find it at this store. These Santa Claus cookies, or these Christmas cookies, everybody's favorite, is 75 cents. So these are 75 cents. Probably gonna only grab one because I don't want to overdo it like I always do. Ooh, I was looking for this. This has to be cheap, but I think it's missing some. Oh no, I wonder if it's missing any. What's the count? Oh, it's a 2-piece set. Okay, so I'm gonna check the price of this because this is a really great item. So these makeup erasers, 2-piece or 2-pack, are $4.99. So it's not bad because the one costs like $20. So this one here for $4.99 is not that bad, honestly. And these actually work really, really well. So I'm probably just gonna grab one. Don't forget to check random go back carts. So this looks like it's like a go back cart, and I'm gonna go ahead and check this one here because I believe this is like $2. And then this one was still expensive. This here is 75 cents for some nail files. It's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and check this one because it does have like, it looks kind of holiday-y. Gonna check that one. And then these here, I'm gonna also check. It looks like it got marked down yesterday though, so I doubt it. I don't really see anything else here. Is that also holiday? Yes, this is also holiday. I'm gonna go ahead and check this one too. So this was $3.47. This one here was about $3 and some change also. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab both of them. I'm gonna go check the regular aisles because people over here have a lot. And I don't see anything here, so I'm gonna go ahead and check the regular aisles. Let's go to the Christmas section because I'm pretty sure there's a lot left, hopefully, maybe. I'm gonna go ahead and check this section over here because this is where like some of the gift sets were at. And no, they are changing it into Valentine's Day, so no. These outdoor lights, right? They're outdoor, yes, they're outdoor lights. They are normally $8.67, and now they're only $2.23. This is definitely a great buy. For Christmas lights and all that, I would buy it at 75% off, only because I don't think this would just last for 90% off. You might be lucky to find one or two, but if you need to stock up, I might as well buy it now at 75% off. So there's this one, $2.23. And then they have a lot more stuff over here, which I'm gonna go ahead and check and scan. Remember, these type of items, they don't go on clearance. So you would just be more focused on the decor and the lights and all that stuff. Remember to always check your end caps because this whole entire section here, it's like there's nobody around this section, and this whole entire section here is not touched. So these are all $2.49. Remember in my other video I got them for like $4.99, I think it was, because it was 50% off. So now they are $2.49 for all these. I don't need any. If you guys watched my Target video, I got a whole bunch of lashes and I don't need them. So they're all here. What I do now is I just go into the regular sections and look for anything that is Christmas themed. Found these Merry and Bright. They're like little Christmas socks, and they're on clearance for $1.24. So they were $5 and now they're only $1.24. Not bad for wanting some nice socks or Christmas socks for next year. I'm still scanning the area to see if I can find anything else. That was the only thing that I can find though in this section. So far, this is everything that I have in my cart. I did get these because they're $1.24 or $1.75 around there. And next year I do plan on doing my Christmas tree like black and white. So I did find these. I bought 2 of them only because they're like the really big ones. Found more of those razor sets, which are $3. This I found for $3 also. Not bad for this one either. I think that's it for this store, honestly. I'm gonna see if I can hit up another store. It is a little bit early, but I'm gonna go ahead and check the clothing, maybe some go backs, and then I'll be done here. Another end cap find, which nobody really pays attention to, are these little holiday hooded towels and loofah set. So this is on clearance for only $3.74, I think it was. Yes, $3.74 for these, and they have a couple here. Not bad, but I wouldn't really buy it now. I would kind of wait. If it's here on 90% off, then I would buy it, but I don't need it, you know. This is a good buy because in the other stores, they were on clearance for $60. So I don't know how much they really retail for, but it is a pop-up tent. I would kind of like this for maybe the beach. It is wind resistant and it is waterproof and it fits up to 3 people. So I'd honestly get this for the beach. I kind of like it. I might get it. And it's like easily collapsible. All right, I'm gonna go to a Walmart, neighborhood Walmart, just to see, because some people don't like really think to look in these type of stores. So we'll see what we find. Just as I suspected it, nobody tends to come to a neighborhood Walmart for gift sets. There is a bunch left. These here are $2.74, and then we have over here the ones that I was kind of looking for the most were these Axe gift sets. So this one is $2.74 also, and they have a bunch. So I'm so excited. These I can't scan. It's a weird barcode and I can't scan this one. But they have a lot of stuff here. Those hands and feet. These are super cheap also. And there was some aloe socks that I found for 74 cents as well. So I'm gonna stick around here and see if there's anything else. Like there's this cart here with a whole bunch of stuff that's on clearance as well. And I think that's it. I am tired. I think I am running on a little bit of sleep, but my body is just like automatically giving out. I hope you guys check your stores to see if you guys hit 75% off. Most stores have. I haven't seen anybody on Instagram post that their store hasn't hit 75% off, so check your Walmarts. Definitely stock up on those gift sets because you get a really great value for those gift sets at being like $2 and some change each, considering the fact that like one body wash or one deodorant that's inside the gift sets are retailed to like double, sometimes triple that. So make sure you guys are taking advantage of that. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click on all notifications on your settings for my videos, and then also follow me on Instagram. I am on Instagram and on TikTok. And also, Happy New Year, you guys. This is my last video of 2021. Oh my Lanta, you guys, we've been through it all. I did take a break kind of like mid-year from YouTube, but I'm so happy and so excited to be back here on YouTube this coming year. Hopefully this is the year that I hit 100,000 subscribers. That is one of my goals, to reach 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube, because I mean that is a huge accomplishment. I know YouTube algorithm is so much harder, but I am gonna continue to push, so hopefully that happens. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. I love you guys, and have a safe and happy New Year. Stay safe out there. I will be home. Probably I won't most likely not go to my mom's house or to family's house. I'm gonna stay safe and I'm gonna stay home. And yeah, so make sure you guys protect yourselves, and yeah, I love ya. Bye.